The 2025 Toyota Highlander Hybrid is not the largest three-row SUV available, but it is among the most fuel-efficient. A small cargo room and tight third row are drawbacks, but a smooth ride, a reasonable list of features, and a wealth of accessible technology make it one of the best SUVs in its category. The three-row Highlander uses the same hybrid motor as the RAV4 Hybrid, though Toyota upgraded it up to accommodate the additional weight. Our Highlander accelerated from 0 to 60 mph in 8.2 seconds. That's certainly excellent, given that some SUVs with V6 engines take the same amount of time and are significantly less fuel efficient. Emergency braking performance is also excellent. This hybrid is incredibly composed during turns. The Highlander Hybrid isn't as sporty as the Ford Explorer's hybrid version, but handling isn't often a strong selling point for three-row SUVs. What's more crucial is driving comfort, which the Highlander Hybrid provides. The Highlander Hybrid provides a luxurious ride. It smooths out most road imperfections while remaining controllable and without much float at higher speeds. Even on lengthy rides, the spacious front seats are rather comfortable, and the available second-row captain's chairs offer roughly the same level of comfort. Unfortunately, the Highlander's third-row seats remain one of its most significant drawbacks. Most adults avoid them because of the little padding, extremely low seat cushion, and limited legroom. We appreciate the Highlander's great climate control system. It's simple to operate and can swiftly heat or chill the cabin. At highway speeds, the Highlander is well insulated from wind and road noise. When you run full power, the petrol engine sounds unrefined, but it's not overly loud. The driver's seat is quick and easy to modify, with a wide range of options. Taller drivers will most likely prefer a slightly longer steering wheel. Outward visibility is excellent, particularly for a vehicle of this size. The windscreen roof pillars are narrow, allowing you to view around curves and in tight parking spaces. The Platinum trim level, which we tested, also has several extremely useful features, such as a camera-based rear-view mirror that allows you to see out the back even when the rear cargo compartment is fully filled. There is also an available surround view camera system. It features great resolution and can be turned to view the entire car. In recent years, Toyota has lagged behind rival manufacturers in terms of technology. This latest Highlander Hybrid takes significant steps in the right direction, but it still has some small shortcomings. The optional 12.3-inch touchscreen is large, the standard screen is 8 inches, and responds quickly to inputs. However, its high-gloss finish renders it susceptible to reflections and smudges. All Highlanders come equipped with a full range of modern driving aids. We enjoy the adaptive cruise control's natural operation, but we found the lane departure warning to be little oversensitive and the lane centering ineffectual at highway speeds. Cargo room on the Highlander Hybrid is a bit of a mixed bag. Behind the third row, there is only 16 cubic feet of room, which is little less than what the Ford Explorer offers. Behind the second row, it expands to an above-average 48.4 cubic feet. The lift-over height is average for a mid-size SUV. There's enough room for your stuff, with a couple convenient shelves across the dash. The optional captain's seats have a substantial amount of fore and aft mobility, making it simple to install a large rear-facing car seat in the second row. The car seat anchors are likewise straightforward to find and use for all types of seats, though there are none in the third row. The top trim levels of the all-wheel drive Highlander Hybrid achieve an EPA estimated 35 miles per gallon combined. Front-wheel drive variants are slightly more efficient, delivering 36 miles per gallon combined.